Welcome to Crestview Family Dentistry's educational video platform. Today, we will be discussing dental implants. Dental implants are the gold standard for tooth replacements. There are several benefits when choosing to replace your tooth. Patients who have chosen tooth replacement state that the replacement tooth feels very natural. Dental implants also minimize bone loss. There is an overwhelmingly high success rate. Implants help resist gum disease. You will experience full chewing ability with your tooth replacement. And most importantly, they can last a lifetime. To further inquire about this life-changing dental procedure, please call our office at 850-683-3544. Again, our number is 850-683-3544. You may also email one of our helpful assistants by sending your questions to info@crestviewdentistry.com. Thank you for choosing us as your dental provider. It is our pleasure to serve you.